Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a Russian classic beef stroganoff. I'm using a New York strip loin steak, and I like the marble on the steak here. It's nice and tender, and I'm gonna trim the fat a little bit here because I need the fat. I want to use it to flavor our meal, right? So this is gonna be our brown sauce. Slice it again, and now you can make it like a bigger slice if you want. You can make it a cube, but the difference is gonna take you longer time cooking. Voila, nice, good to go. Now let's put this on the side here. Now for the trimming here, turn your stove on a medium high, olive oil, perfect. Gonna brown them all, and that's what we're gonna use to flavor our brown sauce. Voila, you can see this, they're brown. Now I'm gonna remove these pieces. So this was the trimming, and what I need the juice from it and the fat and the one stick in the pan. And that is what you need, that they call it a mega flavor. Voila. Now I'm gonna add the beef we sliced before. And when this one halfway done, then we're gonna add the onion and the garlic and the rest of the vegetables. In the meantime, I'm waiting for the beef to be ready. I'm cutting my mushrooms here, and I'm cutting it quarters. Now let's check on the beef. Nice, look at this. Now all these things are stuck on the bottom of the pan. This is what we need for the mega flavor. Now the beef is halfway done. Gonna add garlic, and I'm using here the baby onion, baby red onion, baby white onion, mushroom. Give it a little mix. I'm gonna add some fresh bay leaf. Nice, look at this. Everything starts caramelizing, if you want it this way. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of flour. This is to thicken our sauce, our brown sauce. Give it a gentle mix. Now I'm gonna add red wine, tamari sauce, nice. The tamari sauce I add, it's a close to the soya sauce. They look the same, but they're not. It's a tamari. It's very vinaigrette, savory flavor, and they use it. Japanese, they use it a lot for the sushi. So it's a Japanese sauce. Nice, look how it is. It's nice. The sauce is brown and thick. So now we're gonna add the water. You can tell we didn't use beef broth because we make our own here. And we're gonna cover it up and let it simmer for 15 minutes, and we'll check on it. Now while the beef stroganoff is simmering, we're gonna boil the pasta for it. So for the pasta, you can use any pasta you have at home. I mean, I'm using fettuccine here, and bring the water to boil. Give it a little salt, and let's check our stroganoff here. Whoa, nice! Look at this beauty. The sauce is amazing, nice thickness. Now, if you want it a little bit thinner, you can add a little bit more water from here, but to me, it's perfect. Voila! Nice, our pasta good to go. Move the pasta on the side. Now, as I said here, if it's a little bit thick, you need a little bit more water. Use the pasta water here. And here what we have, we're gonna take the fresh bay leaves out. Add a little bit butter. Heavy cream. Now if you want it a little lighter color, you can add more cream. And now give it a little stir. For another minute and good to go. Nice. It smells so good. Looks yummy. And now time to serve it. Voila. So let me get the plate. Make a little well in the middle. Yummy. Little green onion on top. It's my time now to give a try, right? Wow. Full of flavor, savory. Amazing. The beef so tender. So don't forget to add the ingredients in your cart for next shopping. And this is all yours to enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.